Hey guys, I got Android 11 running. This is a GSI that you can install on any Android device that supports Project Treble. Let's go and take a look. Hi guys, so this is Android 11 running on my Xiaomi Mi 9. It's a GSI ROM. It's a LineageOS 18. This is one of the earlier builds, so I don't actually recommend using it for daily driver, even though I've been daily driving fine for about a whole week. You can see I've got Android 11 and LineageOS 18. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 dots. 11. Boom shakalaka, baby. So pretty nice ROM. One of the things you'll notice is very fast speed. Battery life is good. Now for this particular phone, the fingerprint sensor is broke. It may work for you, it may not work for you. It just depends on the phone you have. But for the Xiaomi devices, your fingerprint most likely not work. Any phone that has a in-display fingerprint sensor probably not going to work. I think older devices with rear fingerprint sensor, or if you have a Pixel device, it should work. All right, these GSI ROMs are usually compatible with all the Pixel phones out of the bat. But I'll go ahead and install on my Pixel also to check it out. Now for root, there is no Magisk root. This GSI is simply not compatible with Magisk root, but that should be coming. You can use Super User, a Fuss Super User. All right. Really like the performance. Camera is fine with the Google camera, Google add-on. All right. Video works. Now you won't be able to use your wide angle or telephoto for the Xiaomi Mi 9. Probably most of the Xiaomi Mi 9s until I find a Google camera that works with them. You will find all of the new features of Android 11 on here, so if you really want to try it out, you can try it out. But I just wanted to give you a quick overview of it because I'm actually tired of running this because I do have certain problems. Sometimes the speaker stops working and I have to reboot. Little things like SMS messages, they don't auto sync. For example, like you log into a service, and you know how usually the app will auto receive the SMS, so you don't have to type it down. I mean, it's not a huge thing, but it breaks that. Oh, also a huge thing for Xiaomi Mi 9, I picked up LTE Plus fine on stock, MUI, and also other Android 10 GSI. With Android 11, you won't get LTE Plus for some reason. So those are the things to watch out for. This is Android 11 that you can install. Again, this is an early version. I totally do not recommend it. I just want to give you a quick look at it, but it's really good for what it is. All right, performance is very good. Battery life is good. So check it out. I'll put the builds on my forum. For installation, I already made a bunch of guides for Samsung phones, Xiaomi phones, not OnePlus phones yet, Pixel phones. OnePlus phones will be coming soon. So if you have a Pixel device, any of the newer Samsung device with Unlock Bootloader, Exynos, if you have any Xiaomi device, you can go ahead and install this and try it out. Feel free to try it out. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, and as always, stay on Android.